If you want to reset the password to the secure folder on your Samsung Galaxy Tab A11, here's what you can do. So if you open the secure folder and if you enter an incorrect password, if you have a Samsung account assigned to that secure folder, then you have the forgot PIN option and you can use your Samsung account in order to reset the password. However, if you don't have Samsung account assigned to the secure folder, if you enter an incorrect password, you won't have that option. So what you need to do in that case is you need to sign out of your Samsung account. So we're gonna go to settings, scroll down to accounts and backup, now choose manage accounts, and then select your account and we can choose remove account over here, and then of course confirm that we want to do that, and then choose sign out again, and you will most likely need to enter the password. So once you sign out, if you try to open the secure folder, you will see this information that our Samsung account was removed from this tablet and we can either sign in or uninstall the secure folder. So unfortunately, we will get rid of everything that we have on our secure folder. We can completely uninstall it. So if you have any data that is important to you that you don't want to lose, then unfortunately you will lose the data if you choose to use this method. And now, of course, we can go to more privacy settings. So let's go back to settings, open security and privacy, and then over here go to more security settings, and you can create the secure folder again, this time with a new password that you wish to use. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.